Below, we'd like to briefly show you what skills are and what we've already been able to do with them. Claude allows you to create so-called skills. These are essentially sets of instructions that can use MCP methods to generate standardized reports. We already have 5 Serpstat skills that can be shared across the team and imported into individual Claude accounts. Once installed, they work with our MCP to generate clear, visual, and useful reports. Here are a few examples of the reports we've already prepared. For example, you can generate a quick wins report, a fast way to uncover growth opportunities based on a large amount of project data. All of this information is pulled through our MCP and then formatted in Claude according to the instructions built into the skill. To use it, you first need to install our MCP. You'll find a detailed setup video in the description. There's also a full SEO analysis of your domain. This is a comprehensive report in table format that brings together everything available about the domain: data, metrics, insights, and most importantly, a ready-to-use action plan for what to do next. You can also create a similar report for a competitor. Here, the focus is on reverse engineering their strategy. In practice, you get a full dossier: what's working for them, what their strategy looks like, and where their growth is coming from. At the end, you also get recommendations on what parts of that strategy are worth adapting for your own business, what approaches you can apply, and what may be better to avoid because it might not be effective for your goals. Next is the Content Strategy Report. You simply enter your website and target region, and in return, you get an analysis along with a ready-made content plan for the next several months. Now let's look at how it works. At the moment, the skills are stored on GitHub in archive format. You just need to download the skill you want to use. Then go to Claude, open the Customize section, click Skills, then the plus icon, choose Upload Skill, and import the file. Do this one skill at a time. After that, the skill will be ready to use. For example, if you need to create a white label report for a client, in other words, remove any Serpstat branding, that's also possible. To do that, click Edit with Claude and give it a prompt such as remove the Serpstat logo, change the visual style, here's a reference, but keep all the data the same. This way, you can fully adapt the report to your own needs. There's much more to come. Thanks for watching and enjoy.